I'm Drew.
I'm Sadie.
And this is our dog Zoe. And she has the Guinness World Record for longest tongue on a living dog. Zoe loves the outdoors. She likes fetching balls and chasing squirrels and going to the camp and jumping in the creek, and will pretty much go fetch anything you throw.
And swim in any body of water that's available.
But she hates showers, hates getting in the bath, but loves to go swimming.
And she loves treats and food
Oh yeah, she loves food time.
and car rides
What?
and trips.
Said the word.
Oh.